Nairobi.
Riwruok mar jopuonj mar Kupeta kwayo piny owacho mondo ondike tich jopuonj 16,000 mosebedo ka tiegore mago interns kendo migi oraka mongirore. Jalup jagoro mar Kupeta Moses Nturima wacho ni kaluore gi dwaro mar doho mar chungo ndiko jopuonje makamago, ng'ikruok nyalo bedo e skunde mag sekondar ma adundo. Kupeta bende okwayo piny owacho mondo chiwo omenda ne skunde samo winjore e kinde ma skunde ichano yawo juma mabiro.
Intern teachers are the backbone of JSS. If their contract remain in limbo, service delivered in JSS could be irreparably affected. Kupet therefore calls for an immediate assurance to the intern teachers their contracts will be upgraded to permanent and pensionable terms, because if their contracts have been stayed by court, as we open the schools, the situation will be terrible for the learners. At the same time, schools are yet to receive their disbursement of free-day secondary education, better known as capitation funds. The 16 billion that was released in March this year still left big gaps in what is owned by schools. By the end of the first term, the institutions had received Kenya shillings 7,800 per learner instead of 11,122, which means the financial situation of our schools are in a very bad situation, and we are asking the government to move fast to release the funds. In high schools, Form 1 and 2 have not received the course books, which means what they have done in the first term of this year was just guesswork. So you can imagine how the level of quality education has been hampered.